The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. James, Lori, Todd, Brian, Deepak, guys, good morning. John, Stephen, Lee, Nick, guys, happy Monday. It is Monday morning, start of a new week. We do have Coca-Cola reported this morning and beat. We do have Netflix, which I think is the big, we have Intel as well this week. Good morning, Mimi. John, good morning. Guys, coming in to the session, let's see what we got going on here. Dow futures down 80. Good morning, Randy and Sue. S&P off 10 and call it a half, and NASDAQ off 44 at the moment. Russell's down 18. VIX futures are up about 0.8 at 20.12. VIX cash is up, call it 5.9% at 1720. Jacques, good morning. We have no news today. There's nothing on the docket. It looks to me like NASDAQ is basically stuck between 95 on the top side at the moment, maybe 97. And what I see as support right now at about 68 to 70. Guys, I hope you all had a good weekend. We're back at it. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. We have a few trials this week. I'm not sure if my trials are in yet, but hey, Mimi, let's see, took a long last night in ES on this. Nice job, Mimi. For those of you that are in the order flow group on Friday, which is the new class, I sent the video out. You all should have the video from education on Friday, which was, I think, a great education. So Thursday and Friday, you both have all your videos. NASDAQ looks like 68, maybe 64. If anybody wants that short, we could come down 45. Netflix earnings this week, Intel earnings this week. I took a brief good morning, Becky, and the same to you. Guys, bonds is already in a short. Bond yields are rising. I do have my bot on, but that short started at 724, so I am not in the bond short. It's already hit first target on the bot. Gold just shorted on the 15-minute. If anybody took that, I did not. Here comes that 68. Anybody short the NASDAQ? 68's your target. Good morning, Chris. At least target one. Okay, James. Should get you 68. It hit 70 half. Still think it'll come down. Excuse me. ES looks interesting around 62 to a half for a bounce. And crude $62.94, and it didn't quite hit. I would think we bounced between 85 and 94 on CL. Oh, you're welcome, James. You're welcome. Good morning, Derek. Guys, once again, if you're here on trial, good morning and welcome. For my members, good morning and welcome back. Let me find my disclaimer and I'll read it. And then it's Monday morning, we'll probably sit here. U.S. government required disclaimer, futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them. In order to invest in the futures and options markets, do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to the trade. Please trade according to your own accounts and your tolerance for risk. We are good to go. We hit 68.5. That's about your target, fellas. Unless you want to hold out for the last two ticks. And then a free trade, anybody that's short NASDAQ. We could bounce back here to 79 and even 91. Could. I don't see any buyers. We got a 26 contract buyer here at 73.75. Good morning, Marco. Good morning, Magnus. Derek as well. Patrick, good morning. Boo Lee, good morning and welcome back. Guys, if you're joining us late, I offered a short on the NASDAQ when we first came in. Not a big trade. Was somewhere around 79. First target was 68. We've hit half, 68.5. We're going to have to come below 64. We could move down to 945. We have no news today. Typical Monday. No earnings after the market close that we're interested in. Gold is coming down again, or still. All right, first target hit, 68. Target hit. Yesterday's low, or Friday's low, 952.75. Call it 953. We could trade down to 953. Got to break 64, those of you that are short. I'm watching crude at 94. The buy zone on crude is between 85 and 94. Guess we could come down to 76, 75. Good morning, Fahim. All right, NASDAQ's broken through that 64. 45 would be your next target. 45. Actually 53, which is Friday's low, and then 45 below that. Should we blow that, we come 25. I have a target all the way down at 906. I'm not sure we come that low, but that would be an excellent long, I think. We're bouncing too soon on crude. I wanted it lower. We came to 96. I wanted it lower. Nothing here. Crude. Anybody trade copper? Copper looks like a short, fellas. A lot of buyers overnight, but looks like we're going to get a pullback in HG. Silver is also in shorts below VWAP. Block sellers everywhere in gold. Block sellers everywhere. Let's see if we get a bounce in gold here, guys. I'm watching gold. We should hold, give or take. In the event that gold blows through 72.4, it's going to get cranked. It's coming down still. All block sellers, guys. 41, 20, 25, 42 contracts, 35, 28, 29. Let me see where gold can come. Probably 73. 65 would be a good long. I don't know that it gets there, but 65 would be. Write these levels down, guys. I don't know that we get to 65, but I have 75 one, Patrick. They've sold a ton of gold from 7 o'clock on. 20, 22, 2,300 contracts. NASDAQ still working down. Yeah, this is still coming, I think, fellas. Anybody still holding NASDAQ? Okay, James. Looks like you're going to get 53 next, which was Friday's low. It's a nice trade now, fellas. Okay, Dave. All right, Brian. Nice job, guys. Okay, Fahim. A little late on that, but that's okay. I would think first target from there, that 53, 54 area. This is where gold better find a bounce. We're pulling the overhead down. It's going to, it'll bounce to 77. It could bounce to 81 gold. I'm going to take a gold long.
Order filled.
It's got to get through the 68. Morning, Moshi. Come on. If it doesn't go here, and it looks like it's failing again, I'll look for it again lower, but small buyers in here, 74, 79, 80. Come on, dirtbag. There we go. We're going to fight all the way up, guys. This seller imbalance, all the way up. If you guys want some ticks, you want to take some risk off, feel free. It's pre-market. There we go. Got buyers right here at 79.1, which might be a better target than 2. If you want ticks, take them. Take them. It's a big trade. $600 on 3 contracts. This could come back down and test 76.9. No, they're not trapped yet. Got block sellers again, 20. I'm walking you through the trade, fellas. Walking you through it. Walking you through the trade. You guys have to make the decision where to get out based on what I'm seeing. If you wanted ticks up here, it was over $600. We could go 81.4. Obviously, the next entry, if you're not in, would be 78.9, 79 area. And this is right back to entry. Again, that's your resistance. Ton of sellers in here. They're buying a few, selling a few in this candle. Watch your delta. Another block seller. This could come all the way back down, test this bottom again, and then go again. If you guys want money, take it. Come on, get back above the 68. Still small selling. Still sell pressure. Come on, get back above that 68. A couple more. There we go. Come on. Come on, gold. Well, it's coming down, fellas. Watch that delta. 51. Now they're buying them. There we go. 18, 17 buyers, 16 buyers. Block buyer here. Somebody bought 20 contracts. Now that could be a short cover. I don't know. Got to get through 77.7. If you guys want money, you have money. Each of you needs to trade according to your own accounts and your tolerance for risk. If you want ticks, I cannot guide you any better than what I'm doing. We've gone back to a negative delta. If you can assume the risk of a stop out and you want to stay in the trade, NASDAQ looks like it's a long up to 80. And maybe 91. We could go as high as 14,006 on NASDAQ. Stop is 55. Come on, gold, get above this. If we can get back above 77.7, we could trade back to 81.3. Got to get above 7. So you know where your resistance is. Right here. We can pop that with some buyers. We're good. Right there. There, come on. Pop it. Let's go with buyers. Got a sequential decline, 4 ticks, 26. Now we lost it. 28 buyers now at 5. 38 buyers. But then you go 6-4. There's no buying on the top of the candle. Come on. All right, they're buying some at 6. Still have a 3 tick. There we go. We should be good, fellas, if you're still in the trade. But trade according to your own accounts. 26 buyers now on the top. Here we go. Come on, buddy. Let's go. You got him. Buyers. Now, again, we put in a lower high here. We got to get that swing, guys, at 9. 55 is what I have, Patrick. 55. Anybody holding gold? Is there anybody holding gold? Okay, fellas. Come on, buddy. Let's go. 34.25. Morning, Todd. Okay, they're buying 5. No buyer. It's nothing at 6. One buyer. Look at the tops of your candles. 6, 7, and 1. That's not helping. Got buyers 4 and 5. Dog. All right, guys. I'm gonna move my stop up to break even, and I'll kill the trade before it comes back down. All right, I'm out. I'm out of the trade, guys. I'm done with gold. If you guys want to hold it, your prerogative. I'm done with gold. I don't like the fact, look, we got 4, we got 6, 7, and 1. They're not buying that. And this may still go, but they're not buying the tops of the candles. If you guys want to hold, put your stop at break even, your prerogative. I do have a target at 81.3, but I don't like that we're not buying the tops. There's no way you guys allow the greed factor to let this trade go to a loss. If you do, it's on you. Crude, you did me bad. You did me bad. This is where I wanted to be long 94, and we came to 96 on crude. I missed by 2 ticks. Can get rid of that. Listen, I mean, it may still go, guys, but this is just ugly. We could come back and test 76.7. I don't think it's coming down. It could, but I don't think so. Hang on, guys, 1 second. There we go. First target is 7.9. See, Patrick, you spoke too soon. You want to be just below the 68, but we've pulled it lower. Come on, NASDAQ. This gold looks like it wants to go. If anybody is still holding, I'm obviously not in it, but gold looks like it wants to go. 81.3, 81.2 would be a target. That would be my final. NASDAQ is just slow pre-market Monday morning. Bonds are coming down. Bond yields are rising. And NASDAQ got to 74 quarter and failed. Is there anyone holding gold? Anybody still holding gold? Okay, no one's holding gold. Okay, everybody made money with it. Okay, never mind. It's scratch. One guy. Okay, Jacques, two guys. $55. Paul, 55. You guys know I have no love for the indices and pre-market. None. I'm obviously not in the trade. Putting in lower highs, resistance here. I think gold is going back to close to VWAP. It's got to pop. I'm not in it, but those of you guys that are in it, it's got to pop this swing right here, 78.9. Under no circumstances do you allow that trade to go against you and lose money. Those of you guys that are in it. You do not allow the trade that was up, 20, 22, 23 ticks to go against you. YM's getting a bid. If anybody took that 71 half long, 72 area, got first target off. 91 should be next level, then 98, then 03. Bada bing, bada boom. Here we go. Got 91, not quite 98 yet. What did we get, 97? Dog. 4 ticks shy of that next level. It's going to break, guys. It's got to break. We're down to 400 below. We're going to fail, probably. My bot did not go long yet. It will at the close of the candle. We expect a minor failure at VWAP. We expect that. Negative delta. Nice job, Bob. Daily gold done. First guy done.
Order filled.
You're welcome. There's our first bot trade, or my first bot trade. NASDAQ long on the bot. Guys, they're buying them up. 1,400. There's no short. 98, then 03, then 14, then 14. Got 98, got 93. Woo, she a trade now, fellas. First target off on the bot. Next level, 14. Hang on to that trade, guys. Let me give you targets. Damn, I'm
Order filled.
Order filled where? Russell. Hang on, guys. If we get above 05, your target is 23. Nice job, Ray. Daily goal in. Green Delta. They bought them all back, guys, in 2 candles.
Target filled.
Russell on the short on the bot. Got first target. First target is off RTY on the bot. First target is off NQ on the bot. Next level is 14, guys, NASDAQ. 14. And then 23. Let me get this down to break even. I got to turn the auto trail on here. I'm break even on both. I'm expecting a pullback. They're buying the NASDAQ, fellas. You got a 500 contract positive delta from big negative delta. Next level up, fellas, 14, 20, 23, 32. Hope you guys are holding. Got them right out of the gate, guys.
Target filled.
Both targets filled. Done for the day. Nice job, Frank. Both targets filled on the RTY bot. NASDAQ, if we get second target, we're in good shape. We're up 780 on the bots already. 780. We get that second target, it's a good day. 600 net buyers. Nice job, Ray. Nice job. Guys, it's a big trade. 40 handles so far. And going. Nice trade. 14 is going to give us a little bit of aggravation. It's all buyers. We should get to 23. We could see 43 and 62. You get some sellers in here. Could be profit taking. I doubt it's net sellers, but I wouldn't be short. Would not consider the short. Got a 122 buyer at 12. 153 here. Closing in on 800 net buyers. Buy the dip, fellas. If you get a pullback to 02, you got another long. It'll bounce right there off 02 if it pulls back. Yeah, I do too, Todd. I want to see them buy. They bought them again. They're buying 12. 143 buyers now at 12. They're buying 12. Somebody's buying 12. Let's see if they hit it again. Got a 212, 214 buyer at 10. They're buying this zone. They bought them again at 10. Let's see if they buy 12 again. This will bounce right here off 017502 on the current candle only. The stack buyer imbalance above VWAP, springboard. Only on the current candle. See if we pull back into VWAP or just below, and then we'll look for another long entry. We are pulling VWAP higher up. What are we doing up here? We should get to 30. All right, we're running into a lot of noise up there, guys. We got pivots. Yesterday's close are out. Yesterday's close is 029. All buyers here, guys. All buyers. Block buyer here at 25. If we pull back, it isn't going to be far. Let me take a look at some other stuff. ES, I got no interest in. Crude, I missed a monster. Really a monster. Gold, I missed a monster, but that's where I wanted it. We didn't get a fill. I'm pulling VWAP up. All right, Paul, daily goal in. Rick, daily goal in. You made your money? Didi. If you've made your money, nice job, Marco. Daily goal achieved. Done. Trade and sim or take off. Go back to bed. West Coaster. Anybody elect to pass that trade? Is there anybody that elected just to not take the trade? Not getting a fill or whatever the case may be is not the same. Is there anybody that elected to pass the trade? Nice job, James. Daily goal in and still going. Nice job. Ninja freezing, there's nothing you can, I mean, that's, that's Ninja. There's nothing you can do about that. No fill, Paul? Yeah. If you got ticks to play with and you know. Got all kinds of buyers in here, guys. 127, 93 previous, 89 previous. They're buying this level. My guess is this will go on the next 15-minute candle, which is in 2.5 minutes. If you did not take a trade or you did not get a fill, relax. Relax. I'll find us something. ES, if it break, ES looks like it's going to go also. I just don't like buying. All right, so you can buy ES. You may only get to 72. Let's see here. We got to break 71.50, which is that swing. Yeah, I'm not taking ES here. No interest. Bots are quiet. 2 bot trades so far, RTY and NQ. Targets hit. Bots are up 875. 2 trades. Let's see if we can get us a pullback. Look at, I missed oil by a couple of ticks, literally 2 ticks. I wanted, no use crying about it. All right, fellas, we're getting a pullback here. What's RTY? Who's RTY? I don't trade it. I don't trade it. Done. RTY and myself, we've gotten an amicable divorce. We're still friends. We've agreed not to trade. I'll leave that for Chris. Nice job, Jennifer. It wasn't the other day, but I'm past it. Yeah, I'll trade it. The robot trades well. You know, the robot trades RTY really well. But I have no interest in trading Russell. None. It's a dog with fleas. It's too thin for me, guys. It's just too thin. It doesn't do. Yeah, well, I mean, it's one thing to trade your account as individuals and allow it to take 700, 800, 1,000, $2,000 in draw. That's, you know, that's your prerogative. But when you got a room full of people that have small accounts, it's not worth it. Not to mention, I trade the NASDAQ better than anybody on the planet. In my humble opinion. Nice job. That's Chris, absolutely. Best thing in the world to do. Shit, you're up $1.5 million. See you tomorrow, Brad. Go Irish. Guys, let it just hang out. Let this consolidate, do its thing, pull back. I'm not really looking for shorts. You may get a small short right here, 94. I'm not interested in a short. I'm more interested in longs. We're just stuck at VWAP. If Russell rolls over from way up here, it could be a real good pullback. I'm just saying, if anybody wants to trade Russell, it's a short. It is a short. I'm not trading it, just so we're clear. Your stop should be, real stop is about 79, Nalufa, 79. We're getting a pullback, guys. That's all. We could come all the way back to 68. Let me show you. Here is what we're up against on the NASDAQ. You got the 50 and the 100 period moving averages. And then you've got a control pivot, a daily pivot, and a pivot here. I mean, we got a big mess up there. Google and Amazon getting hit. A Republican senator, Hawley, has submitted a bill to break up Google and Amazon. Well, I mean, if Google and, you got block seller here, it looks like we're coming down, fellas. We're sitting on the 20 period moving average. Yeah, they need to get rid of Facebook. And Facebook should go the way of MySpace. Gone. Get rid of that clown Zuckerberg. He's a clown. I don't care how much money you have, you can still be an idiot. I think we're coming down. We're coming down. We're coming down, fellas. We're coming down. We're below VWAP. We got big selling. We're giving back our positive delta. If you guys are patient, I think you got a great short. Let me see if I can get a little bit of a pullback. 92.50. I would probably hit 92.50. No, not going to get it. We just sold them all back. Let me tell you your stop if you want it. Stop is going to start at 13. Your stop is going to be 13. Your stop is going to be 13, fellas, if you want the short. YM has a bid. Russell is long again on the bot. Russell is long again on the bot. First target filled on the RTY bot. That's 3 trades, 3 winning robot trades. For those of you guys that are new or newer with the bot, this RTY is the most consistent. It doesn't make the most money, but it is the most consistent. Let me get this. At the end of this trade, I'm going to put the auto trail on, fellas. Okay, out on RTY. Let me put the auto trail on so I don't have to play with it. Okay. NASDAQ held support at 83 and bounced. Gold was long down here. I'm not taking gold up here. No. Not for me. Let me see if I. Well, let me see where my stop is to be. 13. I got a terrible fill. Terrible fill. This could pop back to 02. You dog. Come on down. Next 15-minute candle is now for 8 minutes, which is when I think this will, if it's coming down to 68, is when it's coming. See you tomorrow, Ray. Nice job, daily goal in. Come on, get down here. It's holding 5-minute support, guys. 84 is pretty good support. It's got to come down through 84. We could just keep pinging between 84 and 04 until the next candle. Next 15-minute candle. Got to get down through 84. That's the area I liked for the short, was 92, 92 half. Come on. Back to this 87 area. Doesn't want to break. It's got to break 84. It's 70, 80 buyers, net buyers, 35. They're trying to hold this area. Come on. And block sellers here at 40. stuck above the point of control. Yeah, son of a gun, you. This is going back to 04. We're wedged between 84 and 04. That's where we're stuck. 84 and 04. Damn it. Don't you do it. Damn it. I still think it's a good short up in here with a 13 stop. Russell came down if anybody took RTY. It's a mess. Come on, NASDAQ. Got to come back below point of control at 90. Nice job, Chris. Come on, dog. This does not want to break. We're pulling VWAP lower yet. Back to the entry. This is the area that it wants to hold. This is a problem for it right in here. If this 83 breaks, this thing is going to get crescendoed. You can see the chop in here. Next 15-minute candle, guys, in 3.5 minutes. Come on, push this down to 68. Let's go. Got 30 buyers, 23, 31. That's all that's here. There's nothing here. Russell got beat to death. YM is hanging out at VWAP. I'm not watching ES. Two minutes to the next 15-minute candle. And we're just sideways. Come on, break it. More block sellers at the point of control. 25 contracts, single sell. It's probably Chris. Another move down and nothing. 105 seller at the point of control at 90. I was kidding, Chris. Guys, I'm holding this. The stop is 13 half. I'll hold this to the next 15-minute candle, which is in a minute and a quarter. If we don't get bashed on the next candle, which I don't know how we don't, but it's got to pound through 84, guys. If we don't, we're wedged between 84 and 04. That's our range. Stupid little 20 handle range. 50 seconds to the next candle. We had 500 sellers in this 15-minute candle. We got 7 net buyers on the session. I don't know how this thing isn't getting dumped. Really like to see this next 15-minute candle form below the point of control. We keep pinging off the point of control. Let's see what we get on this candle. New 15-minute. Come on down. Come on. Got to get below 90, which is the 20 period. God darn it, man. At 48 buyers, 30 buyers. Come on, dog. They're going to get me out of this trade, fellas, before stop. You suck. Get down here. Looks like it still wants longs. I can't take it long. I'm not interested in a long. Not enough buying for me. If we come through that swing right there, we're going back up. That's the resistance area. All right, I'm done. I'm done with the NASDAQ trade. I'm done. Caleb, I don't care about any of that. All I care about is buyers and sellers. You've been taking order flow long enough to know I don't care about any of that. None of that matters to me. All I care about is what are buyers and sellers doing. We don't have enough buyers to go higher. We don't have enough sellers to go lower. We've held 84. I still think this comes down, and I still think 13.5 is a good stop. Same thing again. I got one guy that tells me every day about pivots and half pivots and quarter pivots and hourly pivots and daily pivots and monthly. I don't care about any of that. If you guys want to trade that stuff, go ahead. This is not going anywhere on this buying. Now it's coming. It pinged off the 20. Get below that. If we catch that swing at 83, I'm hitting it again. You suck. Got me out, guys. There's your short now. Same, it's the same stop, fellas. It's the same stop. Stop didn't change. $64 is where this should come. That would be my second target. Call it 65, 66. First target is at 71. Come on, come get that 68. Call it 72, just above the 68. And we're pulling it higher up. Working through that buy zone.
Target filled.
Target filled. Come on. Missed by 3 ticks here.
Target filled.
Target filled. And let's see if we can get to 45. Let's see if we can get lower. We may stop 51. You've got an unfinished auction here at 46 quarter. If you guys want to take that as a final target. Russell was a huge short. Crude is rolling over. I'm not really watching it. Come on, give me that unfinished auction. You had buyers come in here. Could be short 30 contract spot. You're not going to leave that unfinished auction. It may. We may pop right back to 68. There's an unfinished auction at 46 quarter. You cannot be taking breaks in the first half hour of the session, man. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Give me that unfinished auction. Review the first video, Dustin. Got it. Got it. Review the first video. I don't do education in the trade room, Dustin. All right, John. Got your daily goal. Let's see where we're coming. Guys, I really would like to see 906. 905. Really, I mean, we're at 925. We're 20 handles away from what I think is, I mean, they're burying it. This is, thank you, Fahim. Everybody good, fellas? Nice job, Dave. Up 2,400 for the day and done. Nice job. Very nice, fellas. Up 4,000, Dustin. Nice job. There's 12, guys. We're going to bounce 05 to 07. ES, I cannot find a bounce yet, guys. 49. We're order filled on what?
Order filled.
Up 1,000 trading one contract. Nice job, Lori. No, it's not. Crude is getting whacked. Let me get rid of this for a second. Just move that. ES. Man, gotta be close to bouncing. We're holding 12, but I really want to see another break somewhere around 900, 905. No, my 3-minute is not on. It's not on. Come on. Not yet, fellas. I don't see any dang buyers. Not yet. There's a scalp long gonna try. Gonna try scalp long, guys. Not yet. 26 half. This will bounce. This could go to 49. I'd goal reach. Nice job, Fedor. 26 half if you guys want to try it. This may be a quick in and out. We're setting up a flag to drop again. I still think 05 is the number. But okay. Yep. Come on. No. Come on. Hold that 95. Let's go. Bounce. They're trying to buy 22 quarter. This is coming down to 05. Come on. All right. We got buyers. Come on, dog. Nope. Come on. I'm on the close button, fellas. No. This is going to be an 05 to 07 long. I'm out. I took a small loss, but I'm looking for 05 to 07. It broke back above the 95, which is the trade. This is where we're going to bounce. 05, 07. Come on. Got to hold this or we come 385. I think Powell speaks on Wednesday, doesn't he? Check Wednesday. I thought I saw Powell speaking again. Way oversold. I'll take this on a move back above 07.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Close it for now. Man, this could get banged out. We could come 87 and then 67. I got nothing below that. I guess 815, but I don't think so. It's only 2,900 sellers. All right, that 807 is trying.
Order.
All right, I'm trying this 807 again. It's all sellers, but this is that area that I liked on the move down, and it didn't hold. Come on. If you guys want ticks, take them. Jeez. Son of a pup. I'm not getting targets, guys. Not getting targets. Stop has to be below 85 is the real stop where I'm at. Missed target here by 8 ticks. Come on, Naz. 11.5. May stop it. We're dropping down. We're pulling overhead down. Now 10.75. Come on, turn back up. No buyers here, guys. None. No buyers. YM's getting bought. Russell. Buyers in Russell. Come on, get back above 900. Let's go. Back above 07, 08, and this has got a shot. They're buying some. We're stuck at the 34. If you guys want some ticks, it's trying. It should get to 37, but we're stuck at the 34. If we get above 16, 17, this is going muy bueno. Block buyers here at 11, 61 and 28. 61 and 28. Come on, dog. It's got to pop 15, half, 16. If you want ticks, take them. It's small buyers in here, 65, 50. It's losing the buyers. Damn it. Come on. Hate when the NASDAQ doesn't bounce. $32 is where this should go. One buyer at 15. If this pops, guys, it'll be quick. Still one buyer at 15. 9, 13 buyers. If you guys want money, you got money. It just won't pop. It's your prerogative. If it pops, I think it goes to 31, 32. There it popped. Come on, keep it going, dog. Got to get above 18 quarter. Come on. 17. There, come on. There we go. New 30 range.
Order filled.
Come on. Let's go, NASDAQ. Russell short on the bot again. There we go. 07 to 31. If we get that target, it's 24 handles, fellas. Target one. 24 handles. Got buyers. Losing them. Buying them again. Got buyers. Come on. If you guys want to take ticks, you got them. New candle. Got to get above 27 quarter. I'm on the close. I'm on the close, fellas. Come on, pop 27 quarter. All right. Buyers again. One more 30 range candle, and this is off to the races. Nah. All right, I'm out. I'm done. I'm done. Out. I do not think it's coming down again. I think that this long should hold. Now I want to see 05, 07 hold. See what happens. YM is bid. ES is bid. ES is a long. If you guys want to be patient with the ES, it's a long.
Order filled.
ES is a long if you guys want to be patient with it. Should go back to 70 final target. NASDAQ's going to get my 31 target. I think we go back up to 56 NASDAQ. If you guys want ticks on this ES, we got 63.75. That should have gone to 64.5. There goes NASDAQ. A little more patience. Here's ES. Got a sequential decline, 3-tick sequential decline. I need buyers. Come on, buyers. I need buyers at 7.5 and 64. I put stop at 58.5. ES 58.5. Got 1,500 buyers here and it won't go anywhere. This could pull right back to 61. High of that move was 64. Come on, ES. Jesus. That's why I hate this ES. Can have it.
Target filled.
Can have it.
Target filled.
I'd rather be in the ES or crude. I mean, NASDAQ or crude. If you guys want to hold it, your prerogative. I don't have the tolerance for the ES. I think we just grind back up, fellas. It's gold is all but died. There is a short on gold at 71.6.
Order submitted.
I didn't have a Dom set. Well, that's not what I want anyways.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
71.6. Let me see what I got. NASDAQ is going to grind back. Anybody long NASDAQ still? Looks like it's going to grind back up to 58 to 70. 58 to 70. ES parked. Nice job, Jay. I love that 7 area long. I'm surprised it didn't hold on the way down. I really am. Stop on gold is going to be 74.9. 74.9. If that fills. 74.9. If you guys have made your money, take it and run. YM looks like it may roll. Let me take a look at these markets, guys. Bond yields are turning again back down. You're welcome, Jim. And another member gone with his daily goal in. Nice. Dow futures are down 112. S&P is off 13. NASDAQ's off 95. Russell's off 27. VIX futures are up 1.1%. VIX cash up 6%, just over.
Order filled.
And I don't think NASDAQ can go very far. I don't think it can get above 40. 18 times daily goal.
Order filled.
Nice job, Chris. 69.1. I think this is where this ends up, that area. And stop, guys, has to be 75.1. That 69 area is Pam's blue dots for those of you guys that are using them.
Target filled.
Oh, Russell. RTY short again on the bot. All right, John, 2 times daily goal. Nice job. Nice job.
Stop filled.
Out on RTY and the retracement. They're buying some here, fellas. I just can't take the NASDAQ anymore. If it pulls back to 09, I love it. But there's not anything I'll do with it here. Gold is 3 ticks from that first target, small first target, and then we'll try to get it on the runner. Maybe, there we go. 2 ticks shy, 3 ticks shy now. And right back up. Crude, let me see, crude. Sitting on VWAP. Got a 187 seller here with 40 contracts at 33.75. And we're picking up sellers again. 18.75. They're selling them here, guys. $53. Maybe back to VWAP. We're going to 45 if you're still holding NASDAQ. That should be the next level. I'll take it long again at 9, but not before. $44.5. Gold came literally 1 tick from target and bounced. Yeah, RTY both targets. ES still hasn't gotten 64.50. It got quarter. If you guys want ticks on ES, trade them as you see fit. Now we're stuck at 44.45 NASDAQ. So we got first target NASDAQ, first two targets NASDAQ, and first target ES. First target ES. Gold is being a ding dong. It's always one. Always one. I'm going to kill gold. I'm out of gold. Nice job, Fahim. Another one with a daily goal hit. Nice job. Very nice. Very nice. Come on, ES. Bust it down. If we get these final targets, I'm done too. Could get it on ES. Nice job, Paul. Another one with a daily goal exceeded. God, I hate when that happens. Everybody's making money. Come on, 3 more ticks. Tres más. Dos más. Come get 55.75. Don't you? There it is. Oh, come on. One more push. Missed by 2 ticks so far. I'll drop that down to 59. First target, guys. I'm not giving back anything.
Target filled.
Yes, target filled. Both targets. Hit and filled, fellas. Hit and filled. Hit and filled. And NASDAQ. Come on. Oh, hit target didn't fill it.
Target filled.
Hit and filled, fellas. Hit and filled. There we go. Bum ba da da. Everybody good? Everybody good, right? The bots did right now plus 570, Judd. 570. How did your bots do? You're welcome, Nalufa. You're welcome, Ray. Any of my trials have any questions? I got 3 of you here. Anybody have a question? Judd, how did your bots do? Well, I guess I came out too soon. How come? I'm just curious. How come? And gold is coming back down. Your crew. All right, Todd, you too. All right, Josh. Guys, at this point, Brad, 3 times daily gold, now in Sim. Nice. Oh, okay. Got it. Yeah, but you could trade him in Sim, Judd. You should be trading him in Sim. 61 next level. We'll bounce there. If we don't, this gets really brutal. Maybe 67. We're way oversold, fellas. On breakout indicator user fight. No. On what chart, Frank? That's all right. Hey, James. Yeah, this if we don't hold here, 61 area, this gets brutal. I have to go to an hourly. No. Which, Frank, when you bought the indicator, I sent you an email And in that email, I told you what I was using on the breakout indicator. You're now asking me about the breakout indicator. What I'm asking you is what instrument? I don't trade them all the same. What instrument? ES, I am using 8 range. 8 range. Yep. Crude, I'm using 10 range. Gold, I'm using 10 range. NASDAQ 30. YM, I don't trade, but I have it at a 15 range. And then Russell, which I won't trade, I have it at a 15 range. I think Russell will probably trade better on an 8 to 10 range, maybe a 10 range. So we're holding this 61 area for now. If this blows, let me just go to an hourly, guys. Yeah, the hourly candle is brutal. If this goes, we're coming down 828. I'll tell you where there's a great, in my opinion, a great long 750. Now, I don't know that we get there today. We surely shouldn't get there in this session. But 850. Gold will probably go long. It looks like bond yields are turning again lower. YM dusted. Guys, let me ask you this. Do I have anybody at this point that is losing money? I don't care about SIM. Do I have anybody that's losing money? 750. Nice job, Fuli. Nice job. Hit your daily goal. Do I have anybody that did not make? Geez, nice job, Dustin. I'm gonna have to come see you and Chris for loans. Nice job. James. Nice job. Up 26K. That's okay. You know, listen. If you don't hit your daily, you don't hit your daily. But you're making money. Thank you, Fuli. I don't know about that, but thank you very much for that. Oil in the ES. Well, you didn't get the oil or really ES from me. You took those on your own then, James. Nice job, Moshi. Up 23.46. Nice job. Guys, look, nothing makes me happier. Seriously. The only reason I do what I do is because I love it, and I love to see people that have another, an opportunity to make money. That's why I do what I do. I will not be on member Skype today. We're going longs again. I'm late on the long, but we're longs. I will not be on member Skype today. I love it. No losing days for a month. Anybody have any questions? Guys, if everybody's made money, I mean, I'm not done trying to find trades, but I will slow her down here. Should make it to 10. Let me go back to a smaller time frame here. At 61 was the place, guys. Nobody has any questions? Nothing I can answer? Bond yields are dumping, or at least pulling back. Let's see if we got any news tomorrow. We have Philly Fed tomorrow. Redbook retail sales care less about. Philly Fed. That's it. 10:30. We're 26% below our 3-month daily average. God, so weird. Let's see what we can conjure up. Look, this was the long right here, coming back through 95. Let me take a look. Let me just see what we got here, guys. Take a look at the ES. Ninja's thinking about if it wants to load the chart or not. Still thinking. Doesn't know. We blew 10. We're going to 26. Long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ. Long NASDAQ again. Back through the 68. Long NASDAQ. ES has to get above 60. Call it, if ES can get above 60, 60 half, it can trade back up to 65. All right, guys, hang on. Let me go back to NASDAQ. NASDAQ's long here above the 68. I mean, I'm way late now on the trade, right? We wanted to be long right in here, 18.
Order submitted.
Right there. If you guys have made your day, think about what you're doing. Think about what you're doing. First of all, the best entry was around that 61 area on the down move. And then based on my Thursday teaching, you should have been long at 80, which would coincide, 82, 83, right? I taught you guys that move on Thursday.
Order filled.
All right. Let's see if we can get a move back to the top of the candle. Real stop, guys, is a mile. If you guys want some ticks, grab them. We're just parked here. It's been a huge move back up. I mean, I'm got something here. We didn't have many buyers on the top. Come on, let's go NASDAQ. That's happened to me once before, Marco. Send the new ID to Joel if you're not getting the indicators. If you're not getting the indicators, send it to Joel. It happened to me once, and it's an aggravation, an utter aggravation. Come on, push it. Let's go, you dingbat. We got a 236 buyer at 19, 258 buyer at 19, 260. They're buying 19. All I want is a press back to, let's see what we got left in the candle. Minute 16. Come on, back up to the top of the candle. That's all I want. 268 buyer at 19. Sellers in here, block seller here, 57.
Order filled.
Minute to the next 15-minute candle. Come on, pump up the jam. Give me that first target. Let's go. Pump it up, baby. Pump it up. Sellers in here, these two ticks. Like to see him. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Look at you, dog. Look at you, dog.
Target filled.
Got it. Target one filled, fellas. Target one filled. 44 is next. 44. So I'll try to come out at 43. Oh, nice job, Fuli. Nice job. Here we go. Here we go, fellas. Come on, NASDAQ. You can do it. Joel can do it all night long.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm shutting off bots. It was just on yesterday. Stuck in my head. Mama says you're the devil, Vicky Valancourt. Come on, let's do it. Should go to 43, 44, guys. Be that as it may, I'm not letting it go against me. All right, Rick, you too. It's 11 o'clock. If we're going to get a pullback, it's in here, fellas. Last 30 minutes of Europe. All right, I'm out. I'm out. Done. Let's see what we get on into the close of Europe. Anybody have any questions? Anybody? Anything I can answer? Dun, dun, dun. What is outbreak? You mean the breakout indicator? Not even close. They're not even based on the same thing. All right, guys, my bots are done and off. They are all done. Up 580 on the day for bots. Tesla stock drops after reports of fatal crash of vehicle with apparently no driver. Nice job, James. You are very welcome, fellas. Everybody made money today, right? Nobody lost money today. Is that correct? All right, plus 22, plus 580. Okay, everybody's good. You're welcome, Mac. 10, 11 area may hold if we come back. You know where we're going, right? Eventually. VWAP. You're welcome, Scott. Cliff, that's okay. You were late to the dance. That's right, Derek. You were late to the dance. I mean, what are you going to do? You had the internet out. You still made money. Guys, if you make money every day, I promise you it takes care of itself. Let's just do this. Let's take a look at just some stocks. Tesla's getting beat for now. It actually lost $700. It's bounced back to 700, but this is Tesla. Let's see what Google's doing. Oh, no kidding, Marco. I didn't know that. There's Netflix. They report this week. I think IBM does as well. So we just came back to that 7. We held 7, got a small bounce. I like 880 area again for a long. I don't know if we get there, but we're about done for the day. We've got 250 people registered for the room. I've never looked at it on stocks. I don't know. I do not know. So let's see what happens. Let's look at Tesla. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Let's go to a 15-minute. I'm not getting data. I should. I mean, I have TD Ameritrade. I'm getting a candle here. I don't know why I'm not getting historical data. I don't know why I'm not getting candles here, guys. Moshi said it works amazing, but I'm not getting data. I don't know why. I'm getting some prints. I mean, here's a 1 minute on Facebook, but it's not loading data. I'll run one all day then. Oh, you're welcome, Fuli. The only downside is, Fuli, I don't offer a monthly room membership. I'll be sending out emails to my trials today, one of whom never showed, but I don't offer a monthly room membership. You tell him, Chris. I can't say that. No, I'm not doing it. Stick around another couple minutes, guys. You may have a. If we get down to 7 again, I'd probably consider. I mean, if we break 6, we're going to probably get a little trade down to 80 to 90 zone. But it looks like it wants that unfinished auction first. So everybody made money today. We're good. Yes, looks like it could come back down. $27 quarter, Lori. You're welcome, Jennifer. Guess what we got? $45. Yeah, I don't think we're getting much above 65 though, Fooly. I mean, there might be a small trade in there. I like it long if we get back down to 7. I think it'll bounce 7 again. I don't know that we get below 14 right now. There it goes to get that unfinished auction. 27. Small trade. I mean, it's the selling isn't that bad. It's only 2,400 contracts, Mac. I mean, it wouldn't shock me. Mark Zuckerberg just announced that he does, in fact, have the worst haircut on the planet for a guy worth $1 billion plus. Unfinished auction gone. We are wedged between 07 and about probably 65. I mean, you've got a long trade to 65. I won't take it. I'm not interested in it here. Europe closing in about 15 and a half minutes. I'm not interested unless I buy a pullback here. But they may look to dust the shorts. No questions, guys? Nothing from anyone? Chris, you still in the room? Thank you. Thank you, Derek. Yeah, we're going up. You asked me earlier, what's my favorite bourbon? I assume you mean by the glass, right? No, you don't. I mean, if you can, I'll buy it by the glass, but if you find Pappy Van Winkle like 25 years, yeah, it's like $250 a glass. It's $4,000 a bottle. Seriously, good stuff. I had the other night we went out Friday night for dinner. Pappy Van Winkle, old Pappy. They have different years, but if you can find it, you really can't. It's hard to find. I mean, even in upscale restaurants, it's hard to find. But I had, I forgot the name of it, Peyton Manning's bourbon. And I was unimpressed with it. I mean, I didn't like it much. All right, guys. I don't know if anybody follows it, but Peyton Manning started his own bourbon. It wasn't. It was okay. Not worth $40 a glass. Doody doo doo doo. I am. I mean, there's scalpable trades in here, guys, but everybody's made money, and we're wedged between about 25 and 45 now. We could go to 60. If anybody wants to take a long, we could go to 60 from 38. I mean, we do have a long right here at 37 quarter.
Order submitted.
This was a long right here. Well, filled me. I'll take risk off here at 44. And we don't get there. Look at this little chooch, 42.75. Should get that 44 quarter, fellas. But small buyers up. Again, we're coming into the end of the European session. Can't break 42.75. I'm trying to get 44 quarter for target one. Why? Got it. Got it. VWAP. Here we come, ski. Antitrust officials in Russia have opened a case against Google regarding YouTube. See if we can get them all off at 59. Man, break them all up, including Facebook. Put them out of business. Sue Zuckerberg. Take his money. Honestly, I think he'd deserve it anyways for stealing Facebook from Winklevosses. Not that they haven't made a staggering amount of money with Coinbase. All right, fellas, let's wrap her up. Done for the day. For my trial members, I want to thank you for sitting in. Hope you enjoyed the first day. For my trials, I will be sending you out a daily update Monday through Thursday, which will have the video from the room if you care to go through it again and see the trades, listen to the commentary. It will also contain your membership options. Unlike most rooms, I do not offer a monthly membership. I will tell you in advance. Oftentimes I get trials that come in and say, oh, can I join for $200 or $300? I don't do it. I can't keep up with the billing. On a rare occasion, I'll do it, but I don't do monthlies, guys. As you guys can see, I'm worth a whole lot more than $199 a month or $200 a month. Not interested. I will send out a daily video every day to you guys, Monday through Thursday. For my members, thank you for joining. We had a good Monday. I will see you all tomorrow. Be blessed. If anybody